welcome back to my channel. This is 顿顿说中文. As you know, because of coronavirus, I still stay at home. So I think maybe it would be interesting to shoot a video about spending one day with me. But it's gonna be different from what you see other vloggers update about their daily life. I will just combine learning Chinese with my day. So let's get started. It's a pretty normal day, so I need to get up. 起床 起床 Then I make the bed as I normally do. Kidding, I only make the bed for shooting this video. 铺床 铺床 Now it's time for drinking water. 喝水喝水 Then I need to go to the bathroom. 上厕所上厕所 Then brush my teeth. 刷牙刷牙 Then wash my face. 洗脸洗脸 Okay, it's time for breakfast. 吃早饭吃早饭 Today we are eating fried noodles. 炒面炒面 Also, drink some milk. 喝牛奶喝牛奶 Now time to do some makeup to make me feel prettier. 化妆化妆 After that, I'm playing with my phone. 玩手机玩手机 Sorry, just read something really funny. Remember, I said hi to niece, so I need to play with her. 和外甥女玩 Tell me she doesn't look like a huge fly now. Finally, it's lunchtime. 吃午饭吃午饭 We have 排骨排骨 ribs. We have sausage 香肠香肠 We have cabbage 青菜青菜 Then we have chicken wings 鸡翅鸡翅 Also, we have 豆腐豆腐 After lunch, I was shooting videos 拍视频拍视频 Then it's fruit time 吃水果吃水果 Today we are eating pineapple 菠萝菠萝 Then it's the part I hate most 剪视频剪视频 Uh-oh, mommy's calling for dinner 吃晚饭吃晚饭 Today we are eating boiled beef 水煮牛肉水煮牛肉 Okay, I know I ate a lot of things today, so I need to do some workout. 运动运动运动 After working out, I'm going to the bathroom again. Then 刷牙刷牙洗脸洗脸 and shower 洗澡洗澡 and skincare 护肤护肤 Now it's me sitting in front of my computer thinking about what to shoot tomorrow 写脚本写脚本 Apparently, not a clue today. Me trying to find something interesting in a book 看书看书 Uh-oh, it's not interesting. I want to sleep. No, you have to 看书看书看书看书 Okay, I give up. Turn off the light. 关灯关灯 Sleep again. 睡觉睡觉 Everyone, good night. 晚安晚安 Now let's go through my daily life again. 我的一天 My day. First, 起床起床 Get up. Then make the bed. 铺床铺床 Okay, drink water time. 喝水 Then go to the toilet. 上厕所 And brush my teeth. 刷牙 洗脸 Then 吃早饭 Eat breakfast. 吃早饭 Today I ate fried noodles. 炒面 Sometimes I eat 包子 but not today. Then I drink some milk. 喝牛奶 After that, it's makeup time. 化妆 And 玩手机 Play my phone. Also, play with my niece. 和外甥女玩 Then I'm kind of exhausted, so I need to eat lunch. 吃午饭 Today I ate ribs 排骨 And 豆腐 Also chicken wings 鸡翅 Sausage 香肠 Cabbage 青菜 Then I need to do some work. Video recording 拍视频 Then eat some fruit 吃水果 Today I ate pineapple 菠萝 And the most part I hate video editing 剪视频 Then mom is calling for dinner 吃晚饭 Today I ate boiled beef 水煮牛肉 And since I ate a lot today, so I need to do some workout 运动 Then I need to go to the bathroom 刷牙 And face washing 洗脸 Most important part, take a shower 洗澡 And don't forget 护肤 skincare. So after all this schedule, I might to play with my niece again. 和外甥女玩 And write script 写脚本 Or 上法语课 take French lesson, but not today. Then 玩手机 play with my phone. Or 看书 read books 看书 Then it's time to turn the light off. 关灯 And sleep. 睡觉 So, and also I need to say good night. 晚安 Good night. That's pretty much for today. I know it's not that interesting because the coronavirus, I don't want to go out. So yeah, but I think it's give me a chance to reflect about myself or start to learn something because I know a little bit French. So I met someone on internet and she teaches me French. I will teach her Chinese in return. I think it's actually very helpful because it will help a lot if you are learning a new language, you got someone's help. So yeah, what I'm trying to say here is maybe it's time for us to start to learn a new language. And if you guys want to see more videos about Chinese learning, just let me know. And if you have any advice or questions, you can leave on the comment below. And see you guys next time. 大家再见。